Working in computational linguistics and got a WRD file from a corpus project? This is verified word segmentation data used in language research. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these COREX word segmentation data files. We're going to solve this WRD issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below and we will revisit later on. WRD files are word segmentation data files from the COREX corpus exploration project containing manually verified word boundary annotations. They store linguistic segmentation data used in natural language processing, speech recognition research, and corpus linguistics studies for accurate word-level analysis. WRD files typically use a structured text format with time-aligned word boundaries, phonetic transcriptions, and metadata fields. Each entry contains start and end timestamps, the segmented word, and verification flags, following corpus annotation conventions used in linguistic research databases. An essential utility for interacting with WRD is recognized as COREX by open source. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows provides only limited attributes, so meaningful interpretation depends on the appropriate software. Your first troubleshooting move, right-click the WRD file and select Open With. Try launching it using COREX if it's installed. If that fails, test other apps. Different tools have different file handling libraries. If you are still having trouble opening the WRD file, do not worry. A specialized format like WRD demands specialized preparation. Let's ensure we have all the correct fundamental details checked off on our list. First, opening in text editors. Open the WRD file in a text editor like Notepad++ Sublime Text or VS Code to view the segmentation annotations directly. The structured text format reveals word boundaries, timestamps, and linguistic markers in readable form for inspection and manual analysis of the segmentation data. Next, using linguistic tools. Import the WRD file into pra.ln or other corpus analysis tools that support word segmentation formats. These applications visualize the time-aligned word boundaries alongside audio waveforms, enabling acoustic phonetic analysis and verification of the segmentation against source recordings. Finally, processing with scripts. Parse WRD files programmatically using Python scripts with pandas or custom parsers to extract word segments, timestamps, and annotations. This enables batch processing, statistical analysis, and integration with NLP pipelines for large-scale linguistic research and corpus exploration workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.